Hey everyone, welcome to Ben's Experience. In this video, I will show you how to add social media icons to Squarespace. This is squarespace.com, and to add social links or social media icons to your website, first log in to your account by filling your email address and password. From this page, click on this website button below your desired website. Now click on this little settings icon, then go to social links. This is my social links available now. To add a new one like this Squarespace TikTok, just copy the social link and paste it here just like that and hit enter on your keyboard. As you can see, it is added automatically with the TikTok icon. You can reorder or rearrange the order of your social links just like that. Then close this window. To add your social links to a page, just go to pages. Let's work on this home page, for example. Then click on edit, click on add block in the section you want to add social links into. Look for social and select social links. This is your social links block. You can place it in your desired place just like that. Click on save and let's visit my website in the incognito mode. If you want to become a pro on Squarespace, I recommend you joining my university today for free in order to get access to this Squarespace online course. Inside this course, you can learn many things, including how to get started with Squarespace, how to design and customize your website, also some advanced customization and features, how to optimize for your website for mobile and user experience, how to manage and maintain your website, and also advanced tips and best practices. To get access to this Squarespace online course for free today, plus all of these online courses and also the upcoming free courses in my university, just go to university.bensexperience.com, link in the description. Without any further ado, let's go back to our tutorial. And this is how to add your social links to Squarespace. Don't forget to give this video a like and also subscribe. Thank you.